It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? Starts with the J sound. I heard some of you say it. We are in January. Let's figure out what number we're on. Let's see. What comes after 18? Do you know? Hmm. What is it? I heard some of you say it. Let's go ahead and count, but let's start with the number 10 so we can get all of our teens and figure it out. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I heard some of you say it. Let's look at the 18 on our hundreds chart. The number after is 19. Let's get that number and we're going to add it to the calendar. It's January 19th, 2022. And do you know what day of the week we're on today? It's a wonderful what. You know, it starts with a what sound. Do you know what day of the week that's on? What day of the week is it? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Which one starts with the W sound? Like W and W. Do you know? Did you find it? Wednesday, Wednesday. Let's get that word. Today is Wednesday. And what was yesterday? Do you know? Well, what day is before Wednesday? Tuesday, Tuesday. Did you remember that? Yesterday was Tuesday. And do you know what tomorrow will be? Let's see. What day comes after Wednesday? Thursday, Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. And do you remember the season we're in? It's the coldest one. Let's look where January is. And what is that season called? It is called winter. Go ahead and pat yourself on the back. I heard some of you say it. And tomorrow morning, we actually may have snow and be learning online, but we are in a winter. Let's go ahead and describe today's weather. What do you think? The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. What do you think? A little bit cloudy? It is cloudy, and I heard some of you say sunny. So do you think maybe cloudy and we'll get partly cloudy too? Because later on the sunshine may come out more. And do you think it's hot, cold, warm, or cool? Oh, definitely cold. Let's go ahead and get those things to add. All right, we said it is cloudy. So we're going to get cloudy. It's gonna be cloudy most of the day, and then when you see the sunshine, there'll be clouds too, and that's gonna be partly cloudy. And we are gonna have to bundle up. It is cold. High 48 degrees Fahrenheit and low 32 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let's figure out how many days you've now been in school. What number comes after 83? Do you know, mathematicians? Well, think when you're counting 83, 80. What's next? Do you know? I heard a few of you say it. Let's look at our hundreds chart as a resource and start on the 83. And then the number after 83 is 84. Did you know that? Go ahead and kiss your brain. And let's make that number and say it. Ready? 84. There are 8 tens, 4 ones. Let's get one counting rod and add the one counting rod to the ones pocket. And then we're going to start with our 8 tens and skip count by tens 8 times. Are you ready? Let's do it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Keep the 80 in your brain. We'll put the 8 tens back in the tens pocket and get the 4 ones. Did you keep the 80 in your brain? Let's put the 4 ones with the 80. Ready? 81, 82, 83, 84. Great job. Put the 4 ones back and get ready for our tally mark. Remember, we're going to pull straight down unless we're crossing a group of 5, and we get to do that tomorrow. Let's go ahead now and skip count by 5s 16 times and then put the 4 ones with it. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 days learning together in kindergarten. Can you believe that? All right, let's write today's date. You need something to write on and something to write with. You're going to start with your uppercase letter J for January. Remember, we always have an uppercase letter to start each month of the year because it's special and important. J-A-N period, finger space. Write the number 19 with a 1 and a 9, finger space, 2022. Go ahead, write that down, and then put your cap back on your marker and practice reading it. January 19th, 2022.